In today's quick video, I will show you how to enable or disable autoplay of the next video in PotPlayer step by step. So let's get started. First, open PotPlayer on your computer and play the first video from your playlist. Now right click anywhere on the screen and from the menu you need to hover over miscellaneous, then go to when playback finished. Here select the option that says stays in current item when playback ends. This will stop PotPlayer from automatically jumping to the next video once the current one finishes, but we are not done yet. Right click on the screen again, once more go to miscellaneous, then when playback finished, this time select remember playback finished action. This ensures PotPlayer save your settings even after you close and reopen the program. Now let's test it together. As you can see, when the video finishes, it stays right where it is. It doesn't move on to the next clip. Even if you close and reopen PotPlayer, the setting remain active. It will always stay on the current video until you decide to change it. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.